Hello friends, today's topic GDP and lack of new investors result in market correction. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Yesterday evening, the central government announced that the GDP growth is projected to slow to a 4-year low of 6.4% in financial year 2024-25. This would be the weakest GDP growth since the pandemic year of 2020-21 when India's GDP fell by 5.8%. The official government figures are expecting weak growth, then the actual impact of the economy will be much more. Our markets were once again weak today. Nifty was down by 0.6 to 0.7% but recovered to close marginally lower. However, the mid and small cap indices fell by around 1 to 1.5% today. In spite of a 10% correction in Nifty 50 index from the recent high, the market valuation is still on the higher side. This is especially true for mid and small cap stocks since they had a fantastic rally the last 1 to 2 years. Also, stronger than expected US jobs data has reduced the hopes of an early rate cut by the Federal Reserve. When the US economy is doing well, in spite of higher interest rates, then there is no urgency to cut interest rates. Global markets were hoping for many rate cuts in 2025. However, the rate cuts may be later in the year and may be lesser than expected. So, the economic slowdown in India and global factors not being particularly favorable, the chances of a significant rally in Indian stock markets in 2025 is reducing. All eyes will be on the quarterly results of companies which will be announced from this week. The results are weak and below expectations, then it will be encouraging investors to book profits. Especially, FIs have been finding reasons to reduce their stake in many companies due to a slowdown. Nifty 50 index is below its 200 DMA. Nifty mid cap and small cap indices are trading slightly above their 200 DMAs. In fact, the Nifty 50 index is down 10%, whereas the mid cap and small cap indices are down only around 6 to 7% from recent high. In fact, selected stocks have been managing to hold on while majority of the stocks are sliding down gradually. You might have noticed that the markets are falling 2%, rising by only 1% or so. Hence, the index, the individual stocks are silently consolidating and also time correcting at the same time. Due to all pessimism and market dullness, the number of demat accounts opened in September-December 2024 was around 97.7 lakhs. This was the slowest growth in the past 4 quarters and a 26.3% decline, the sharpest ever when compared to the previous quarter. In July-September 2024 quarter saw a record 1.32 crores new demat accounts being opened. Quarterly new demat accounts opening. April-June 2023, 60 lakhs. October-December 2023, 96 lakhs. April-June 2024, 109 lakhs. October-December 2024, 98 lakhs. The BSE and NSE combined average daily turnover for the F&O segment reached 280 lakh crores in December 2024, which was the lowest since August 2023. It was 36.56% down from 442 lakh crores in November 2024. Although periods of rallying and periods of dullness are common in the stock markets, many investors are not used to it since they may have less experience in stock markets. We are quite sure that our channel members will be able to face this challenge that markets are posing to investors. It is not an exciting phase for markets. However, the vast majority of new investors in Indian markets may not be as patient and mature, and hence there could be many investors who will either exit or become inactive due to the dullness of correction in the market. Here is an announcement. Nifty ಕೆಳಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಹಣ ಹೂಡುವುದು ಹೇಗೆ ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚೆ YouTube live discussion for all channel members today 8 January Wednesday at 9:15 p.m. on Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel. And the video, here is the question. If the markets stay quite weak for major part of this year, do you think many investors will exit markets? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.